the Creator. In the name of God, the merciful, the compassionate. Praise be to the Creator, who shapes all that is seen and unseen, the one who breathes life into new beginnings. By His will, the seed splits and becomes a tree. The grape ripens in the vineyard, sweet and abundant. He ordains the birth of every soul, a miracle formed in the secret places. In perilous waters, He carries His servants, guiding them through storms to the shore of safety. Wisdom emerges from struggle, like gold refined in the fires of trial. Shadows stretch long under the brilliance of the sun, the sunlight of wealth, position, and fleeting joys. Yet all these belong to Him, for the Creator has the luxury of eternity. Recall the story of Adam, fashioned from clay by His hand, taught the names of all things. Remember Noah, who sailed the ark by God's command, a vessel of salvation amidst the flood. Consider Abraham, who found truth among the stars, his heart steadfast in devotion to the Creator alone. Moses, who parted the sea by divine will, carried the message of liberation to his people. Jesus, born of Mary, a sign to all mankind, a spirit of truth and mercy sent by the Creator. Solomon, whose wisdom adorned his reign, a gift bestowed by the all-knowing. The Creator molds joy and sorrow alike, every shadow cast only by the light of His mercy. He holds the heavens without pillars, the stars and planets in their perfect courses. He alone knows what lies in the depths of the soul, every whisper of intention, every secret longing. To the Creator belongs all beginnings and ends, for He is the Alpha and the Omega, without rival. His power stretches beyond time, eternal, unchanging, and incomprehensible to the finite. Let those who seek find solace in His name, the Creator, whose hands shape destiny. Blessed is He, the origin of all things, to whom belongs all praise, now and forever. Amen.